Create, build, and play. We are just minutes away from installing Unity and bringing your game ideas to life. Head over to the Unity website, download the Unity Hub, and install the latest version of Unity. Don't worry, I will guide you through each step. First, head over to the official Unity website at unity.com. To begin the installation process, here is the download option, or else you can go through the plans and click on See Other Unity Plans. Unity offers different plans, but for beginners, the personal plan is usually the best choice. It's free and packed with all the features you need to get started. Select the personal plan and then click Download Unity Hub.
A few moments later.
The next day.
Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Unity Hub. Read the Unity Terms of Service and click on the I agree button. Choose your destination folder where your Unity Hub must be located. I prefer the default location provided. Also down here, you may find space required to install the application and the available space in the system and click on the Install button. Wait for a few moments to install the application and click on the Finish button. After installation, open Unity Hub. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. Otherwise, just log in. So, I don't have an account. I'm just creating a new account. Here, you can provide your mail, your preferred username and password, also your full name to display it on your account. Then, click over the checkboxes and click on the Create a Unity ID button. Or else you can just sign up with any one of the accounts mentioned here. I'm just signing up with the Google account. Click continue and your Unity account is created and sign into your Unity account. With the Unity Hub open, you will see the main interface. Here you can manage all your Unity projects. You can see the warning, no active license, and there appears a pop-up window to get your Unity personal license. Read the stuff here and just click on the agree button. In the left side corner, go to your account and click on Manage Licenses. And here you can see your activated personal license. Now to create a Unity project, you need to install the Unity editor of any version of your preferred choice and go to the Installs window, click on the Install Editor button and official releases will be provided here. You may come across LTS, which stands for Long-Term Support. Means like each year Unity releases 2 new versions of the editor known as Tech Stream releases and one LTS, which is long-term support release. These versions are typically released in the first and last quarter of each year. Tech Stream releases gives you the option to use all the latest in-progress features and updates. To download your preferred version, go to the Archive tab and click on the Download Archive button. It takes us to Google. Here you may find a various year with number of versions listed and with options down here, all versions or Tech Stream or LTS. I'm going with the first LTS version provided. Click on the Install button and click Open the Unity Hub. Now that you have selected your Unity version, it's time to add modules. These are optional components that enhance your development experience, such as building support for different platforms and additional tools. Here you can add modules of your choice and some modules will be selected by default. For example, Microsoft Visual Studio for C# coding and required platforms to develop the applications. For example, mobile-based applications requires Android build support. To build iOS app, I'm just selecting iOS build support. I'm selecting Universal Windows Platform build support. I'm also selecting WebGL build support. If required, you can also select documentation. Pick the ones that suits your needs. Click on the Continue button. Read the Visual Studio Community License terms and click on the Continue button. Also read the Android SDK NDK license terms from Google. Tick the checkbox and click on the Install button.
Later that night.
The next day.
Now the editor is installed successfully and check the modules are correctly installed. If you require any modules additionally, you can add them by clicking the Add Modules button by performing the same steps. And after a few minutes, you can check the module if it is installed properly. Click the Locate button to check where your editor is installed, and if required, you can also change your destination. Now, we can create a new Unity project. To create a new project, click on the New Project button. Next, you will need to select a template. For this tutorial, we will go with the basic 3D template. Give your project a name and choose a location on your computer where you want to save it. Once you are ready, click Create and Unity will start setting up your new project.
A few moments later.
Your new Unity project is ready. From here, you can start exploring the Unity editor and begin developing your game. Thank you for watching. If you found this installation helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Game Engine Mastery for more in-depth insights into game development. Hit the like button if the video provided value and feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comment below.